Registration, processing, and conduct of Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination have been characterized by errors in registration and mix-up in data of candidates since the adoption of computer-based tests. These have made parents and candidates to stage protests over perceived inefficiency, slow, and stress of the process. To address these issues and make the process more effective and less cumbersome, Joint Admission and Matriculation Board instructed candidates to use only JAMB recognized CBT centers for registration and data capturing. But did this make any difference?
It has been less stressful as it gets better by the years. It wasn't as stressful as last year or last 2 years registration.
I never experienced much difficulty registering for JAMB this year. It was a nice going, and the process was very easy for students like us.
NTA News crew observed that most areas in the state do not have CBT centers, causing some candidates to travel some distance to register for the exam. Experts, however, said the advantages of the new system outweigh the stress involved.
What we do is to capture the data, following the rules and procedures established by JAMB. Make sure that the data is accurately captured and submitted to JAMB. And then if in the process we encounter any problem, we talk to JAMB to get it resolved as quickly as possible, which is another advantage the candidates have by dealing with CBT centers.
Many students were not computer literate, so when they attempted to use their phones to register that time, they had a lot of problems, which invariably forced them to come back to us to help them register. And there were so many inter-switch problems in the net. But now, CBT centers use central routers that connect them straight to Abuja, and then with a greater broadband.
To give the candidates best of services in this year's exercise, respondents identified the need for CBT centers to improve on their facilities, while efforts should be made to establish more CBT centers in the rural areas. In Enugu, Jude Abugu, NTA News.